Hey everybody! How many times have you finished writing your drafted blog or post only to realize that your paragraphs are just way too long? Well, great news! Simplified now has an AI template designed to help you reduce the size of your paragraphs. And in this video, we're going to show you how to use it. So to start, we'll come over here and click Generate Copy, and then we'll scroll down until we come to the template that says Reduce this paragraph. Go ahead and click on that. Now, all we have to do is select our language, and then we can either type in or paste our paragraph that we would like to reduce up to 600 characters. Once we've done that, we can still select advanced options to determine the number of results we would like to receive in the first round, as well as the level of creativity that we would like to attribute. You can turn those options both on and off by selecting this toggle switch right here. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Generate. And there you have it. Simplified's AI has generated several results that have condensed our original paragraph without compromising its core essence. If you'd like to generate more results, all you have to do is click the Generate button again and again as many times as you would like. Once you're done generating, you can favorite the ones that you like by clicking this heart icon, copy the content to your clipboard and paste wherever you wish, delete the ones you don't want to keep by clicking this trash can icon, and click these three dots if you'd like to edit the content to make it more your own. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified's AI can help you with drafting your own blogs and posts, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.